Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable the desktop site view in websites as default in Samsung DeX mode on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. If you go to any website, for example in Google Chrome, because that's where the problem typically occurs. So let's go to the Google Chrome. If you go to any website here, and if you go there for you can see here, it is the mobile version. It doesn't look good. It doesn't look like it should on a computer. Sometimes it will be even worse because it'll be stretched and very weird. It's just, I'll try to disable the desktop. Yeah, this is how stretched it may be. It isn't supposed to look like that on a big monitor. And of course you can enable desktop site view by clicking on okay, let's just go back. You can enable desktop site view by clicking on three dots in top right corner and then clicking on desktop site and enabling it. You can see now it is that desktop site and it does look indeed good. But you'll need to enable it manually every time if you do it like that. But if you go to settings by clicking on three dots in top right corner, then settings in Chrome, then site settings, then scroll down until you find desktop site and make sure that the desktop site is enabled. Then in most cases it will work that by default these desktop sites will be open. But it's not the perfect solution because first of all it not always works. Sometimes it'll still open it in the mobile view, and second of all it if you later on unplug your phone from the monitor, then new websites will be still opened in the desktop site view. So it's not the best, and if you want to fix it, if you want to the better solution, just close the Chrome and use Samsung Internet. You can see this app is pre-installed on Samsung phones, and if you go into it, it is adjusted for the DeX mode, which means if it's connected to a monitor, it will always display in the desktop site view, and unless you click on three lines and select mobile site, but it actually works fine. So this is first of all that it always opens correctly. And also if you unplug your phone from the DeX mode and just go to the Samsung Internet app and search for something just on your phone, then it'll open in the mobile site view, which is way better on mobile phones. I'll also give you an example of how bad can it look if you just have it in the desktop site view on your mobile screen. So you can see now it's in the mobile version, and if I click on three dots in top right corner, select desktop view, here it's not as bad, it's not too good too, but it's in some other places. Let's try to go to Facebook, because I know that Facebook isn't Facebook on mobile looks like this, but if I switch it to the desktop site view, this is the mobile one, so it's adjusted for mobile. And if I switch it to the desktop one, it's not too good, and some other websites may look even worse depending on the website and how it's built. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.